So before starting the study, you have to introduce the books and you have to introduce the syllabus of your class. So this is the NCERT science book of your class. Look on the front page. This is the cover page of your book. Okay, this book also available in the website. You can go to the Google engine and write the science book of class 9 of class 10, write NCERT science book for class 10 and you can got various link, and then you have to choose any link and you get the PDF file of this book. Okay, we introduce the syllabus. Here this is your contents. This is the contents of the books. Okay, here you can see total 16 chapters of this book. Okay, and now look at the side of this page. Here 5 chapters are from physics, 5 chapters are from chemistry, and 6 chapters are from biology. So totally 16 chapters you have to study. Okay, among these chapters, the first chapter here the first chapter is chemical reaction and equation. This is a chapter from chemistry. Okay, now look at the second chapter, acid, base and salts. Okay, this is the name of the second chapter and this is also from chemistry. Then the third chapter is metals and non-metals. This is also a chapter from chemistry. And the fourth chapter is carbon and its compound. This is also a chapter from chemistry. And the fifth chapter is periodic classification of elements. This is also chapter of chemistry. So this is the 5 chapters of chemistry. Okay, now we have to look at the physics chapter. Here the first chapter of physics is light, reflection and refraction. This is the first chapter of physics. And then the human eye and colorful world. This is the second chapter of physics. And then third chapter is electricity. Electricity is the third chapter of physics, and magnetic effects of electric current. This is the fourth chapter of physics, and the source of energy. This is the fifth chapter of physics. So this is 5 chapter of physics and 5 chapter of chemistry. Okay, we here got the name of the chemistry and physics chapters, and the rest 6 chapters are from biology, and Jabbar sir will introduce you this chapter's name. Okay, so the first day we will discuss the first chapter of physics. The first chapter of physics is light, reflection and refraction. This is a very important chapter of your physics syllabus, and various types of questions, very short type of questions, big type questions and mathematical questions also come from this chapter in the exam time. Okay, so this is important chapter. And then the second chapter of physics is also important chapter, the human eye and colorful world. Okay, electricity is also a very important chapter of physics. Magnetic effects of electric current, it is also an interesting and very important chapter of physics. The source of energy, it is a very simple chapter and very short chapter of physics. Okay, so the first chapter, light, reflection and refraction, and we will going to discuss this chapter in the next day. Okay, for this day, okay, I stop here. Next day we will discuss these chapters again.